Here I have VIVO IQOO 00U3, and today I'm going to show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the apps section, see all apps, tap on three dots here and select reset app preferences, and then tap reset apps to confirm it, and after that all of the apps settings will be reset to its defaults. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.